full stop ela avutundi. Everybody has different levels of stress, and thanks to COVID this is all happening because of COVID. Hi guys, hello and welcome to another series on my channel. I think this will be my first ever personal series and I'm going to do all about my skin. So like you can see, I have a really bad skin inflammation or flaring that's going up. I will leave a bunch of pictures so that you can guys see. It might be triggering, but I wanted to share something with you guys. So you can see there's a lot of breakouts and a lot of acne spots, and there's a lot of dry patches over here, under my nose, under my skin, around my nose as well, around my chin, everywhere around my face. And I have realized that, you know, I've tried everything possible that is not up until the consultation of doctor, but it is not going and I do not know why. So I have realized that it is time for me to go get myself checked with a doctor. So I have an appointment today. Today is the 8th of November and I have an appointment with my doctor, with my dermatologist. Now she is one of the best doctors I have ever went to. I think in my entire life I went to a dermatologist only once. This is the second time if you count it. The first time I went was for that teen acne situation wherein whenever you hit your teens you get acne, right? So that was a situation. But yeah, I just cannot function with this because more than the pimples, I do understand that pimples go away after a little bit of time, but the dry patch here is so irritating. It gets very itchy and I don't know why. So I'm still in the process of thinking and getting stuff done, like, you know, whether is there any problem, like some vitamins or something like that that are less, or is it some disease that I got, like not a disease but like, you know, like a normal, like, you know, did I catch something that is like, you know, flaring up, or is it just my diet and food and all of that? I want to know something so that I can back to normal. I will post a picture of me with very very clear skin and touch wood, mera skin bahut clear tha, you guys. I never had any acne marks also, but this part is very 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 itchy for me and I do not know why. And sometimes when I don't apply the moisturizer, like today I did not apply my moisturizer because I want to show the doctor like, you know, aise hota hai when I don't moisturize. So it kind of starts flaking. I can see a little bit of flaking here. So yeah, that is that. So in this series I will be taking you guys with me in a journey of, you know, skin healing. I don't know what I'll be naming the series. Maybe I'll be naming it like Skin Healing with Aarti, if I'm not wrong, or something like that. I'm not sure yet, but I definitely want to take you guys with me because when I document this I will remember and I can also see a difference. So that is what it is. I'm going to click a before and after picture as well. So I'll be showing you guys everything possible, like the diagnosis, why, what happened, and you know, what changes am I making, are there any medicines that I'm using, and all of that. Okay, so that is that, and I'm waiting. I have my appointment at 7:30 to 7:45. Now it's 5:20. So I do have a couple of errands to run. I have to go get some provisions, so I'm going to do that and I'll see you guys once I'm with the doctor. So basically my doctor's appointment is online, so she's going to check me through my video call, and that is so easy for me to film because personally I don't usually get to film in any doctor's office because they kind of tell me not to, but now I'm at the comfort of my house, so I'm really really happy about it. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna film the entire, like, you know, doctor diagnosing process or something like that. But I'll see you guys right after my doctor appointment is done and then we'll discuss. So I think that is all I wanted to share with you guys for now. So I'll see you guys after the appointment.
Meanwhile,
no, work from home. Under my chin there are some red patches, like spots. Yes, lower lip and chin area. Adi ela undante it's like patches laga vachesi undi and adi chala dry ga untundi, itchiness perigipotundi. Idi ante madam idi chin దగ్గరది అయితే ఒక 1-2 months నుంచే. ఈ నోస్ దగ్గర డ్రైనెస్ మాత్రం ఎవ్రీ వింటర్ వచ్చేది నాకు 2 years నుంచి. అండ్ ముఖం మీద ఇక్కడ చీక్స్ దగ్గర పింపుల్స్ కూడా విపరీతంగా పెరిగిపోయి అండ్ పెయిన్ఫుల్ పింపుల్స్ అనమాట. నో ఓన్లీ డ్రైనెస్ అరౌండ్ మై నోస్ ఇస్ ఎవ్రీ వింటర్ 2 years నుంచి. ఓకే మేడం, నేను ఇప్పుడు ఈ నంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయాలా అని? ఓకే. Alright, you guys, I just got done with my appointment. Like she told me to like send her pictures so that she can understand what's happening on my skin and all of that. But I can't, like, it's so weird, like you know, waiting in hospitals for appointments to waiting in the house online. Technology has gotten us so far.
And another thing, it may help also. Already what we are starting to help also. How is your head? Head, is it greasy, scaly?
It's very itchy. Like I started using the KTC shampoo, medicated one. When I use that, my scalp gets very oily within 2 days. So I stopped that and I used normal shampoos, like, you know, Head and Shoulders and all. If I use that shampoo, my skin gets very itchy in the night. Like in the night, I cannot stop itching it. Even throughout the day, if I just do my hand, itla cheyi itla ruddukunte juttu nunchi ila juttu mottam vachestadi. అది ఇక్కడ నార్మల్గా జుట్టు వదిలేసుకునేటప్పుడు ఇలా అంటాం కదా, చేతికి వచ్చేస్తుంది జుట్టు, వెంట్రుకలు ఇలా చేతికే వచ్చేస్తున్నాయి విపరీతంగా. Okay.
Because that will help you.
Okay.
And just for the hair fall, we'll postpone.
Okay.
Where both the things get settled.
Okay.
It takes time, not get worried.
Okay.
The stress in the life has a role for both the things.
Okay.
But anyway, we can work it out.
Okay.
I'm giving for a month.
Okay.
What soap do you use?
I don't use soap. I use a shower gel. I mean the Cetaphil face wash.
OS.
Sorry?
Is it Cetaphil OS?
I don't remember.
Just check.
Yeah. Okay.
If it is the Cetaphil OS face wash, it's okay. Or else, Cetaphil OS you can use.
No, I use the Cetaphil gentle cleanser.
And it is not that much good for you.
Okay.
You go for OS. I'm writing that name also.
Okay.
And that may help you also.
Okay.
And if it works, we'll see. Okay?
ఓకే. అంటే ఇప్పుడు అసలు ఎందుకు అంత అగ్రవేట్ అయిపోయాయి, ఎన్ని పింపుల్స్ అసలు ఎప్పుడు రాలే నాకు.
కాదమ్మా, అది నీ స్ట్రెస్. అంటే అది ఏముంటుందంటే హెయిర్ ఫాల్, పెద్ద పింపుల్స్, పెద్ద కథ అంతా వచ్చింది. అది
ఓకే.
ఎయిటెక్స్ అని ఒక షాంపూ రాస్తున్నాను.
ఓకే.
ఆ షాంపూ ఒక థిక్ హెయిర్ అయితే తల మీద టైం పాట్ లో 4 ml, థిన్ గా ఉంటే 3 ml తీసుకుని ఫ్యూ డ్రాప్స్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ తోటి తలంతా స్ప్రెడ్ చేసేసుకోండి. గ్యాస్ పార్ట్ అప్లై చేసేసి 10-15 minutes అయిపోయాక go for bath, wash it off and apply simple L'Oreal or Dove ordinary shampoo.
Okay.
After that 2 times a day.
Okay.
Usually it works well.
Okay.
It will not leave the head too greasy.
Okay.
And it will at the same time help.
Okay.
So I am giving for the face and the head for the
Okay.
shampoo. I am sending you that picture to you. You please buy. If you have any doubt, put a message.
Okay.
After the other 2 questions, I'll call you back.
Okay.
Around 9.
ఓకే. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ పోవడానికి టైం పడుతుంది. నేను యూట్యూబ్ చేస్తాను, సో వీడియోస్కి వాటికి వేసుకుంటాను.
అన్నీ పాడుకో, నాకేం అభ్యంతరం లేదు. And it doesn't come in the way of our treatment. Whatever you I have no objection.
ఓకే, రైట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. అందరూ అదే చెప్తారు పాప, స్ట్రెస్. I just got done with my doctor appointment and she literally gave me a bunch of medicines and like some lotions and I think a shampoo as well, because I told her my hair is also having a severe hair loss. So she just told me that this might be something related to stress and I still have to get the medicines. I'm going to go get the medicines. But I do not understand why stress affects so much, yaar. Like personally, I think I've been to like 3 or 4 doctors like in my lifetime, and everybody tells me that, you know, don't take so much of stress. How can you not take stress is what I can't understand, that concept. Like how can you not take stress? Kaam khatam nahi hua to tumhe stress aayega na. So anyway, so she told that, you know, because of the stress and because of me not working out, like me not being a little active, I am getting all of these. So she did tell me to like go under medication for like 3 to 4 weeks and then come back for a review. If it still does not reduce, or you know, it still does not, if I still can't see any change, Then she told me that, we're gonna go for some tests and then understand what is like, is there something severe or underlying. And I told her about my painful pimples and everything. So she told these dryness and dry patches and the red patches is because there might be something that is irritating my skin in my makeup or anything like that. So specifically she told me not to use makeup. She told me to use makeup wherein that's not going to create any allergens. So I'm going to try and not use any makeup for the next like 4 weeks. So personally I'm thinking to keep my face makeup free for the next, like, I want to say next 1 month, and hopefully this goes out. That is all for the skin healing with Aarti episode 1. I hope something was useful, something you have understood or learnt more about. And if you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me. And I'll see you guys in my next episode of Skin Healing with Aarti. Bye.